This is it. The final roar, y'all. We started with 64, and tonight, the portal is through playing games. We've got heavy hitters left. The Nile crocodile versus the honey badger, and the humpback whale versus the aurochs. The science is about to get deep, so let's go ahead and get to the crew. Alright team, it's time to focus. We're at the finish line. We've got a crocodile versus the honey badger, and a whale versus an aurochs. Felix, you with us?
I'm here. After seeing that croc defeat a lion, I've got respect for the lizard. I want to see if the honey badger's don't care attitude, though, can handle a 20,000-pound predator in a flooded forest.
I am not. Okay, Robby, you said deep water. I've seen enough sharks to last a lifetime.
Sammy, please. We are witnessing a monumental transfer of biomass. The sheer potential for energy exchange between these specific phyla is intellectually effervescent.
Stop with the E-words, Dr. Poopshoot.
Alright, you two, take your squabbles elsewhere. Now, let's get ready because the final roar starts now. Hit it, Scout! Alright, we're in Australia's Northern Territory. Mega floods have pushed the big boys into the eucalypt forests. The number one crocodile is followed by his nose towards a rotting carcass. But he's not alone. High in the trees, the number one honey badger is chasing a goanna lizard. They're wrestling on a branch right over the bloated dead cow when tumble! The badger and the lizard plummet 30 feet straight into the carcass. Splash! The impact ruptures the bloated body, sending a gush of fluids everywhere. An estering crocodile shows up to claim the mess, and as the Nile croc squares off with the local giant, but the honey badger, he doesn't really care. He slides off the mess, grabs some nearby maggots for a snack, and trots away. Nile crocodile stays put, gorging on the lizard-stuffed beef and holding the field. Nile crocodile outlasts the honey badger. We're in the Florida Everglades. The water's 8 feet deep, which is a nightmare for the 10-foot thick humpback whale mom. She's running aground, her belly rubbing raw on the swamp floor. On the other side, we see the number 3 aurochs is panicking, struggling to keep his head above the water. The whale rolls in the mud, accidentally pinning the aurochs. The bull goes wild, goring his 3.5-foot horns deep into the whale's blubber. It's a total disaster until crumble. The limestone floor collapses. A massive sinkhole opens, connecting the swamp to a deep lake. Suddenly, there's room to swim. The aurochs paddles for the bank to get out of the wet stuff, while the humpback mom and calf dive into the deep, cool water to nurse in peace. Humpback whale outlasts aurochs. The sinkholes have opened and the survivors are named. We are headed to the championship for a battle of the true titans. The Nile crocodile versus the humpback whale. Wait, and the crocodile has mold in his belly and the humpback whale has a calf. Well, it looks like we've got some explaining to do. But this was the final roar, and the portal is tuning to a frequency we have never seen. Stay metal, and we will see you at the grand finale. Out.